Hello, hello, hello. We are live from Google Cloud Next 2026. I'm Jigyasa Grover, an AI/ML engineer and a Google developer expert. Today, I have with me Ankur Kotwal,
Yes.
head of Global DevRel from Google Cloud, and I pulled him from all the action out here to settle some very fun debates that we have. Are you ready, Ankur?
Yeah, bring them on.
So the first one,
Yeah.
prompt engineering will be a long-term career path.
So I think the industry's evolved where I think what we were calling prompt engineering before started to become context engineering, and I think that's going to be a critical skill moving forward. I don't know that it will necessarily stay as a standalone role, but I think it's going to continue to be critical in this AI age we're in. It will be consistent. It'll be there.
Absolutely. I feel like in general the lines among different roles are like blurring so fast.
Absolutely.
So you got to do everything.
Yeah.
Well, the next one, building agents is the hardest part of AI right now.
I don't know if it's the hardest part of AI right now. I think building agents has actually gotten easier, I think.
I agree.
Making them, deploying them to production, making them scale, making them reliable and trustworthy, I think those are the pieces that are now we're starting to solve. And we're at Google Cloud Next, and so we just announced this new enterprise platform, Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, and I think we're trying to make it easier for you to do that. But I don't think the building part is as hard.
Yeah, I agree. Have you checked out adk.dev? I think with just a couple of lines, you can definitely set up an agent. But then if you have to ensure the orchestration and how they are coordinating amongst each other, or even evaluating agents, I think that's a big skill that you all can next year onwards.
And then I'll also add, we just launched a new agent CLI that partners with ADK, and so it helps you build agents, but also helps you deploy and scale those agents. So check it out if you haven't yet.
Yeah, absolutely. Inference is a solved problem in modern cloud stacks.
So tell me more. What do you mean by that?
Is Google the best in inference at the moment? Or do you think you've figured it all out?
No, I think across the industry, inference, we're having, there's a lot of capacity and scale challenges that we're having. And I think it's because we moved into this agentic world where software is running in loops and determining its own outcomes and taking its time to solve those problems. So it's not a clear path from start to finish. So I think there's more load than there's ever been. And I think everyone is still trying to serve that capacity. I think Google is trying to do its best right now, in the sense that we just launched the TPU 8s as well, the 8th generation TPUs. So I think that's going to bring a set of efficiency and scale that we've not had before. And then, our models are also getting faster. We've stated this before, that over the years, we've had a greater than 90% efficiency gain at the amount of compute that's required to serve these models. So technology is moving faster, the rollouts are moving faster. It's not a solved problem in terms of scale yet, but I think that there is a very clear path to where it will.
Absolutely. And did you check out the TPU V8 announcement? I think it was really interesting to see how they've separated out the training and the inference, because both of the processes are very different, and it is very obvious that they require different types of hardware as well. Well, I guess that's it. It went by real fast. We might be coming back with part 2 of this, so stay tuned.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.